You're spending 10 hours a week on lesson plans, grading, and emails. ChatGPT can cut that down to 2 if you know exactly what to ask it. Here's every prompt that actually works. I'm going to walk you through 5 things ChatGPT can take off your plate today. Lesson planning, differentiated worksheets, grading feedback, parent emails, and quiz generation. Each one takes under a minute once you know the prompt. Let's get into it. Prompt 1. Create a 45-minute lesson plan for 8th grade science on the water cycle, including a warm-up, main activity, and exit ticket. That's it. You'll get a full structure in seconds. Edit it. Don't rebuild it from scratch. That one alone saves most teachers an hour a week. Here's the one that saves even more. Prompt 2. Take this worksheet and create 3 versions. 1 simplified, 1 on, level, 1 advanced. Paste your existing worksheet text in. ChatGPT does the leveling for you instead of you rewriting it 3 times. Prompt 3, and this is the one people are scared to use. Give constructive feedback on this student response, focused on the rubric criteria, in an encouraging tone. You still read the work. ChatGPT just writes the feedback comment so you're not typing the same sentence 30 times. Prompt 4. Write a professional but warm email to a parent about a missed homework pattern. Tone, supportive, length, under 150 words. Swap in the specifics. Done in 20 seconds instead of 10 minutes of wording it carefully. Prompt 5. Create a 10-question quiz on the water cycle with a mix of multiple choice and short answer, plus an answer key. Instant formative assessment, 0 prep time. 5 prompts. 5 hours back in your week. Easily. If this saved you time, do me a favor. Smash that like button and subscribe. And if you're still managing documents the slow way, watch this next. Password protect any WPS document in 1 minute. It'll save you just as much time.